Hey, what's going on, guys? Andrew here, and today I'm going to be talking about Robinhood filing for their own IPO, what I think is going to happen when they actually get on the market, and of course, what I think is going to happen with all the Wallstreetbets users that are still angry over the whole GameStop situation. And like always, before we get into the video, if you enjoy videos like these with news topics, technical analysis, trending stocks, that's what we do here on my channel. So make sure you subscribe if you enjoy stuff like that. I haven't been posting too much and as often as I want to, but I'm going to be getting back on track to that as soon as I can. Now, the word Robinhood probably leaves a bad taste in some of your mouths, especially if you are trading during the whole GameStop and AMC scenario. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, basically Robinhood restricted trading on some of these very high volatile stocks like AMC, GameStop, and all the other stocks that were running at that time because they couldn't handle that much trading volume. Now, all of this media attention from the whole GameStop scenario led to a lot of attention going towards Robinhood and about their decision that they made when they started restricting buying of these stocks and options. Now, there were a lot of upset people at Robinhood, but nobody was more upset than the Wallstreetbets community that started this whole GameStop frenzy. And people were actually filing class action lawsuits, as you can see from this post right here. But there were actually lawsuits filed. People were manipulating their reviews on the App Store, so Google actually had to manually delete them because they don't like manipulation of their reviews. And it was pretty crazy how much negative attention was going towards Robinhood. And you'd think that that would just smoke them forever, like they would be done, but it was actually the opposite. But as you can see from this graphic by Bloomberg, Robinhood was getting almost 300,000 downloads a day compared to their less than 100,000 before the whole frenzy started. So they were getting over triple the downloads they normally got, and compared to their peers, other than webull, which was close but still not even competitive, they were just blowing everybody out the water with downloads, so their popularity was skyrocketing. Robinhood is a free brokerage platform, which is why a lot of people go on there in the first place. And this means they have to make money in other ways, like lending out margin, which all these downloads every single day is going to lead to more people trading or buying on margin. And that's going to therefore increase Robinhood's profits. Back in August, Robinhood raised its internal valuation to 11.2 billion with record growth and of course some internal funding. Now, it's been a very long time since August, and surely Robinhood's valuation has significantly increased due to the GameStop situation and due to more people just wanting to make money because of the pandemic and because their jobs aren't as safe as they think they are. Now, because of the liquidity issues within Robinhood, because of all the volatility during the whole GameStop situation, they actually had to raise money. And they initially raised $1 billion at the end of January. And then the beginning of February, they raised an additional $2.4 billion, bringing that to about $3.4 billion in just about a week. Now, this is going to add significantly to their old valuation of $11.2 billion in August, just because they raised about 33% of that in just funding. Now, if you paid attention to the market within the past couple of months and you've watched the highly anticipated IPOs like Snowflake, Airbnb, DoorDash, or Roblox are just a couple of examples that I have right now. But if you watched those and you saw how extreme they were bought up in the beginning of their IPO, especially the day of IPO, they were bought up for almost double their valuations, even triple their valuations. And honestly, people just went all out crazy when these stocks IPO'd. And in my personal opinion, I do think that is going to be the same with Robinhood, because Robinhood is arguably a bigger name than all of these right now due to the circumstances of them being in the media. Now, what's going to be really interesting is what Wallstreetbets is going to do once they go public. Now, there's going to be some diehard fans that don't even care about the money. They're just going to buy puts or short the stock regardless because of how much they hate Robinhood. But honestly, I'm not sure it's going to be the same for everybody because, in my opinion, Robinhood is good at what they do, of course, other than the customer service part, which is a big thing. I know it's very hard for me to say. I'll probably get roasted in the comments, but they know how to make money. They know how to offer a platform that people are going to want to join, and I think that their IPO valuation is going to be extremely high like the others. Now, trust me, I want to see the stock get shorted. I think it would be hilarious, and it would also be some very nice revenge for the retail traders, but personally, I just don't think it's going to happen. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. Just want to let you know, if you did not catch it earlier or if you haven't read the news, that Robinhood is going to be IPOing. It's probably going to be within the next few months. We're going to have to wait on that valuation to see if it's actually a good buy. Let me know your thoughts on what you think Wallstreetbets is going to do. Do you think they're going to be able to overpower all the other traders who actually want to buy the stock because they think it's a good company? And do you think they're going to be able to short it into the ground? Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.